Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the exchange rate for Monese. Monese is a mobile banking app that allows you to send and receive money in multiple currencies. It's a great option for travelers or people who do business internationally. So, what is the exchange rate for Monese today? The exchange rate for Monese is constantly changing, so it's important to check the app for the latest rates. However, as of today, the exchange rate for Monese is €1.23 to $1. This means that if you have €100 in your Monese account, you can convert it to $123. How does Monese calculate its exchange rates? Monese uses a mid-market exchange rate, which is the average of the buy and sell prices for a currency. This means that you're getting a fair price for your money. Is there a fee for using Monese to exchange currency? Yes, there is a small fee for using Monese to exchange currency. The fee is 2.5% of the amount you're exchanging. How can I get the best exchange rate for Monese? The best way to get the best exchange rate for Monese is to exchange your currency when the exchange rate is favorable. You can also use a currency converter to compare exchange rates from different providers. Here are some tips for getting the best exchange rate for Monese. Exchange your currency when the exchange rate is favorable. Use a currency converter to compare exchange rates from different providers. Avoid using Monese to exchange large amounts of money at once. Be aware of the fees associated with exchanging currency. In addition to the exchange rate, there are a few other things to keep in mind when using Monese. Monese is not available in all countries. Monese charges a monthly fee of £5.99. Monese has a limit on how much money you can send or receive in a day. Monese is a great option for people who need to send and receive money in multiple currencies. However, it's important to be aware of the exchange rate and fees associated with using Monese. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy. If you're interested in learning more about Monese, please click on the link below.